Bugs Bunny. I should fill you guys in on what's going on already because it is only 11 a.m. and already it's been a doozy. My hair, 911. Is there something that can help me with this? What do you do with split ends on the top of your head? Is that fixable? I'm gonna fill you in on what's been going on so far today, which is basically the most mundane stuff ever. I don't even know why I was about to say it's been crazy, because actually it's the complete opposite of what is in fact crazy. Dogman had to have his driver's license renewed today. We thought if we went super early that there would be less of a crowd, or I guess not super early, but just during like school and work hours. They have the take a number system, and I asked him what number he was, and he said he is number 3001. I didn't even know the take a number system went that high. We don't know how many hours he's gonna be stuck there. So I went home and I got a Yeti and I filled it with delicious iced tea, and I grabbed my hula hoop because I thought maybe that could keep me not bored. I also have some fun stuff in my passenger seat. Brought a book and some other stuff. Can I have some sort of award for America's weirdest stuff in a car? There I was, hula hooping in the abandoned Toys R Us parking lot. Someone stole the why. But why? When an idea struck me to do a follow me around. And there's one place that I've seen people go on YouTube, and I've just heard about, like a lot of you guys tell me about this store all the time, and I've never been in one in my life. That is Five Below. But I've seen and heard that there's a lot of cool makeup stuff in there, and I think you guys told me that there's like mystery stuff in there, and honestly, I'm just bumbling around looking for stuff to do, trying to kill some time. So I thought, let's do a follow me around. One final sip before we go in. Kind of conflicted about putting my sweater on. Right now I'm cold, but then I'm scared inside. Will I be hot? There's actually like a lot of cool stores around here. There's a Nordstrom Rack. I haven't been there in a million years. There's also a Marshalls. I hear that Nordstrom Rack and Marshalls has really good makeup deals, but right now we're at Five Below. Engage her for yes. Hi. Giant tubes of candy. That one actually looks like a giant roll of Smarties. I like that. I also like the fact that seemingly I'm the only one here. I'm so hot for you. Oh my god, it's a Charlie Brown air freshener? I've never seen anything like that in my life. He smells like vanilla. That does seem like a very, like if Charlie Brown was gonna be scented like something, it'd be vanilla. Oh my god, look. Roll the dice to find out what exercise you're gonna be doing. I can't even pick them up with my hands. So that right there is an exercise. 15 high knees. I don't even know what that means. Let's try again. What is that? 15 butt, what? 15 butt kicks? What are you suggesting, Dice? They got like fluffy. Were you a zebra? It's like got the antlers of a zebra, but like the mouth of some other animal. I've got a whole llama love for you. This looks more promising, like a beauty section. We've got lots of mirrors and hair doodieties. We've got this, which is called Style Sticks. I don't know what that is, but I want to try it. Deadpool socks. Oh my god, Ren and Stimpy socks. Everything about this place is really good except for this like club. You guys hear this? Like I feel like I should be fist pump monster walking or something. Hand spa roller. Sort of trying it in the butt area. Wow, that actually feels delightful. I have actually been working out almost every day. I can't lie and say every day. Booty toner? Lots of butt stuff in here. We've got jump ropes. We've got G Fuel shakers. We've got resistance tubes. Sounds like something you'd see in Star Wars. Ooh. What is this? Twist and shape? Ooh. Wait, why is this fun and also risky business? I can be like feel the burn.
Yeah. These are so cute. They're little Valentine bath sponges. Ooh, ASMR. I didn't even know they made this stuff anymore. It's like bath confetti. They've got everything. Whoa. There's like an actual like wall of t-shirts. It's me. This is like so 90s. I love this. At first I saw these. Here we are at the makeup. What is that? Celestial glow. We can smell like skulls? What does that smell like? Oh, we could smell like shoes? Golden sugar? Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it looks touched. Like someone has maybe licked that one. I think the original of this product was called a Twixie or something. A device that holds your nail polish like a ring. They have all of the Wet n Wild brushes. I have a couple of these. They are really good. So those are $2.99. I have seen a lot of Wet n Wild stuff at the dollar store. So I almost think it's more expensive here. Ever heard of Jessie's Girl before? There's like a lot of just like generic makeup items in here. These actually look really pretty though. They're like metallic glitter liners. I've heard of this brand before, which is Tattoo Junkie. The display looks pretty ravaged. Charcoal Detox Fizzies? Wonder how much the Batiste is here. I was like, oh, what does this say? It's just a gigantic headband that says Diva or Queen. But I kind of like the little star one. That's pretty cute. We're gonna spray the skull spray. It's kind of funky, I'm not gonna lie. It's like hand sanitizer. Let's smell the shoe. Smell it with me. I don't smell anything. Oh my god, why don't they have a sample of this? I feel like I'm gonna buy this just because it's so weird. It is Jurassic Park Collector's Edition fragrance? Like, what does that even mean? Sassy. The fragrance. I figured out what they're trying to dupe is Pat McGrath. Her products come packaged in pouches with sequins. I think that's the vibe that they are going for. They have like a unicorn horn brush also. They're just trying to combine like a bunch of different brands. I feel like we don't have much to show for ourselves, you guys. Just some workout equipment. It's helping me achieve my New Year's resolution, which I haven't yet given up on, which is shocking. This time last year I'd quit already. Oh my gosh, I have not seen incense in so long. Still like the same scents I used to buy when I was a kid. Dragon's blood. Do I need incense? No way. Look at what is in here. I think it was exactly a year ago we made this. Does this thing really work? Look at this uni dew. It's like fake unicorn poop. We're gonna try this. It's a Flarp blaster. Create new sounds with your fingers. A zombie rubber chicken. Why doesn't he speak? Oh, this one's dead. Oh my gosh, it's leftover Halloween stuff. It's skeleton crazy string. I'm so tempted to buy all of these to hand out to the trick-or-treaters next year. These are so cute. Also, a tennis racket is here. This is crazy. These actually look fun. Wait, does this literally say what I think it says? Does this say pickleball? What is pickleball? Why is this so fun to me? All right, we gotta at least do one basket toss. Basket toss. Basket toss. Basket toss. Let's do it again. Basket toss. Oh my god. Success. And I'm in everyone's way. Oh, thank you. Yeah. You want to say hi? Hi. Oh my god. Smack hack. I just literally don't even understand. Like, somebody puts foods on a fork and you have to eat all the foods in the timer? Okay, this is like kind of sad because I almost feel like they took a lot of the stuff directly from Toys R Us and then plopped it into here. I remember like joking about this when Toys R Us was still open. Oh my god! This used to be called something else when I was a kid, but my grandpa had this game. Oh yeah, it was called Booby Trap. I feel like I could use this as a new stool to film on. I don't know why I always like sit on skateboards to film videos. Believe. Keychains here. Oh my gosh. How could I miss the gator? Oh, I see now. Oh my god. How could I resist that? Let's basket toss. Basket toss. Basket toss. Did I make it? Speak to me, gator. Didn't make it. I see him. He's on the floor. Oh my god. Oh geez. Ladies and gentlemen, we've encountered the 7th circle and we're doing all right here. Squishies, is that what this is over here? Oh, they are squishy. Keychains. Okay, I like the teddy bear head because it definitely has a very Lisa Frank vibe to it. Make your own squishies. I feel that on a spiritual level. Oh my gosh, they have glow in the dark glue. They're so cute. So cute. Oh my god. Wait, look. Is this seriously like a little... Oh wow. Wait, does the banjo sound different for real? Oh. Build a flute. Light up spooky flyer. I feel like there's so much Halloween leftover magic. Dance, dance, man. Is that supposed to be Elvis? Look at that. It's a calligraphy kit. The battery is dying. In case I die attempting to take this thumbnail. I thought it would be funny. Oh, jeez. Wait, I sunk all the way down in here. Oh my gosh. It's a thumbnail. It's a very confusing thumbnail. Can I hand you this?
Yeah.
You can capture the madness?
Yeah.
But does it make a good thumbnail?
Yeah. Your battery's about to die, girl.
Oh, I'm never prepared. Now all I have to do is get out.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Here we go. At least they're like not taller than leg height. Thank you so much. I'm leaving with some goodies and everybody in there was so nice. Oh my god. Shout out to the employees. They were so cool. They let me jump in. I almost said the pickle vat, but I meant the pillow vat. Let me set these bags down. I don't know if you can see me right now. Probably not. I just got a call from Dogman. He's actually almost done. I guess he said that there were 60 people in front of him still, but 20 people got through the line really quick. So we're hopeful because I am starving. I think it's like 1 o'clock now. It's like lunchtime. He's been here since 9 in the morning. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all later. Bye! If you've made it this far in the video, then you know what time it is. It is Swamp Family vocab time. Today's word is proclivity, which means the tendency to do something regularly, or an inclination or a predisposition to choose the same thing with regularity. I hope you guys have proclivity to click on my videos. That was the cheesiest use of this vocabulary word ever. But if you made it this far in the video and if you've been enjoying the vocabulary word of the day, leave me a comment and let me know down below. I'm always curious, who here is watching the whole video? Who is even seeing these vocab words? I hope you guys enjoy it and I love you guys. I'll see y'all very soon.